Welcome to the Fluid Power Forum, a podcast of the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host on the CONEXPO floor, Ben Brown, and I'm here to interview interesting people who are moving fluid power technology forward at the 2026 CONEXPO ConAg Trade Show. Here with me now is Jason Parks from Suburban Manufacturing Group to talk about his CONEXPO ConAg experience, as well as his company and the value that it brings to you, the listener. Thanks for joining me today, Jason. How's your CONEXPO experience been?
Yeah, thanks for having me. Pleasure to be here. It's been really good. The foot traffic has been, it's been very busy. So,
yeah, it's been a wild show. I mean, even just sitting here, the number of people, I don't have time of the week for it.
No, not at all. That's a good thing,
fun.
though. That's a good thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So you've been here for a little bit, walked around. What are some of the products and innovations you've seen that stand out? Some of the interesting fluid power updates.
Yeah,
that would be interesting.
Yeah, I would say in the South Hall in particular, one of the things I've noticed is the amount of directional drills and vac trucks and the innovations with those products in particular.
Yeah, I mean, it's a whole new world for a lot of people here.
Yeah.
All right, and now moving on to your company a little bit more specifically, let's talk about Suburban Manufacturing Group. What your company brings to the exhibit? What are you here to show?
Yeah, so at the exhibit this year, we're displaying our Python protective sleeves as well as our lube minder oil and grease systems. So we were able to get both of those in the booth, which is very handy for us.
Yeah, and can you talk about those just a little bit more?
Yeah.
Some of the specific targets that you're looking for those specific uses?
On the Python side, kind of an interesting product we were able to develop is we are getting into some thermal products, and we can actually manufacture a product that has line of sight protection as well as thermal resistance. So when you get those hydraulic hoses and in the engine compartment that you have high temps next to, we can keep that high temp away from the hoses as well as protect the operator from line of sight hazards.
Yeah, and that's huge. I mean, as all technology is moving forward, and especially electrification of those things, I mean, temperatures are increasing, so This is important work.
Yeah, on the lube minder side, we have an interesting product we're releasing this year. So it's a hydraulically operated grease pump, and one of the features to that is we can push about 40 times the amount of grease per stroke with that pump than the electric competitors. So we're pushing large volumes with that, and it's hydraulically operated, which really simplifies the system design.
Well, I mean, at the National Fluid Power Association, we love to hear it.
Yeah, you
All
bet.
right. Yeah. So where can our listeners go to learn a little bit more about your company, products?
You can go to www.gosuburban.com. You can also find us on LinkedIn and Facebook. Peruse the website. We have 3 different product lines under the Suburban umbrella, and we're in compressed air solutions, lube minder oil and grease systems, and Python protective sleeves.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us, Jason, and have a great rest of your show.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
That's going to wrap things up for this mini episode of the Fluid Power Forum podcast. Make sure you subscribe to our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any of the other podcasting services. And leave a review. It makes a huge difference for us, and it helps us continue growing the show. Also, remember to follow us on LinkedIn at the National Fluid Power Association. I'm your guest host, Ben Brown, reminding you to join us next time in the forum.